Guys, please.
Bro, we can
Please,
never get
please.
past that.
Go
Bro, why is this
speedrun.
map so hard?
The
Nine is
bitch.
there 100 total?
Here, bro, I'm here.
Where's the super city?
Start.
The city?
I'm here, my bro, I'm here. Why is this so hard?
He get the bag. Open. I hope we get the.
Bandages, thank you.
Yes, yes. First aid kit. Put that in my bag. Okay, now get the
I'll put the bandages
coconuts.
in your bag as well.
Okay, okay, nice.
Coconut, 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 coconut. Let me go get the coconut, guys. Just don't do anything.
Okay, go.
What a hole.
Drop it, drop it. Put some in my bag.
Boy, it won't break.
Ow!
What
I
the?
wait, we can put a whole coconut in your bag, bro. So we can
Nah,
save
that's
more
Bro.
space.
super. That's super heavy.
But it's the same. Really? Why does it taste so sweet though?
Let's go, let's go.
I'm going to remove this ate. Ate. Go.
Where do we go? We were almost
Right.
there that one time.
I know, right? I can see the top. And the
Damn
fog
it.
got
I can
us.
The
drop.
fog killed us, bro. Let's just go there again, but we don't know where to go next. Oh, there's a jellyfish.
Careful, jellyfish.
That was from.
Oh, another first aid kit. Perfect.
There you go. Put it in the
Oh,
bag.
nice. Let's go.
Oh
There's
god, this
another
shit's
gift.
so heavy.
You need the balloons or something. Yeah, you need balloons.
I hope. Let's just
Let's
hope this is a
open the
balloon.
gift.
Then we go right. Oh, it's. That's nothing.
There's another one here.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Another bandage. This will be very useful though.
Yeah.
I drank the energy drink. Oh, I'm sleepy. Put the bandages.
Put the
Okay.
bandages in the back.
Bro,
Yeah.
the bag is full.
Remove the coconut.
Let's eat the coconut. Oh, damn it. I already
Okay, I'll break.
accidentally got the.
Some
Go,
coconut.
eat.
Let's go. Why are we climbing that again?
Oh, you're right.
Chill.
Always
Nah, nah.
climbing the thing.
We climb this one, actually.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, well,
Thank you, bro.
thank you.
Just pulling each other.
Okay, Canadians.
Stop. What's that about?
Oh
Apple,
my days.
apple. gonna eat
Do
it.
not eat that.
Button mushroom is safe.
Can you?
It's a button mushroom right
Oh. Ate, what? Eat this.
Let's go, let's go.
Put
We
this in
have
my
to
bag.
go.
Bro,
Hold
there
on.
is
It's in my bag.
snow! There's snow!
There is.
Oh my gosh, you
Oh,
guys.
it's poisonous! You
It's not
liar!
safe.
You liar!
It's not safe.
Oh my
You guys, it's
god.
not.
Thank God that I didn't eat it.
Oh my god,
eat
bro.
food, eat
You
food.
liar!
It's not
Eat
safe.
food. Eat food.
Would it go away if I
Such
eat
a
the
liar,
food?
guys. Yeah, I will.
It did not, you freaking liars.
Alright.
It did not.
Who said it was safe, man?
we
You
ate
did.
we ate some earlier and it was safe. What?
Wait, look, wait,
I
there's
think
medicine,
that was
there's
a different
medicine.
one.
I found medicine.
Where?
There's two. Atapam, we have to eat this.
Where? Nice, nice,
Perfect,
nice,
there's
nice,
two.
nice.
This
Here.
one.
Well, that's perfect.
Medicinal roots.
Now just we have to eat it.
Guys, why
Bro,
did you
we
eat it?
suck.
No, Tatalan. No.
Yay, I'm cured.
No.
I'm cured, bro.
No. Where to climb? Where to climb?
We can't go there, but that's
No, Tatani.
jellyfish. What do we do?
Okay, let me try. Don't go on
Why
the
do I keep
bridge.
jumping? Why do I keep jumping, bro?
Oh no. You jumper.
We'll just try first.
Supplers.
Oh, if you fall out
There's
there.
no jellyfish, okay?
What's up?
There's a jellyfish right under you, bro.
Oh!
Oh, I got
Made it.
Let's go.
We can.
But
Me
wait.
next. Me next.
Okay.
I was saying
Me
you
next.
next. You next.
Just launch at the last second.
Hold on, guys.
There's a jellyfish up there.
Launch. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go.
Ate, you got this.
We made it through, finally.
I'll pull you if I can.
What are you doing? Nice.
I pulled you.
Thanks, bro.
Okay.
Let me pull you. I like pulling people.
Nice, bro.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Go
Shibar.
fast.
Not the fucking pug. Oh, I said that in the wrong way. That sounded
No, not yet,
wrong,
son.
bro. Sounded bro.
Pwede pa balot, son.
I meant frog.
Oh shit.
Oy!
Apparently we can make it.
Ouch. First aid kit.
Yo, you gotta here first. Yep.
Thank you.
Yep, you gotta go here first, guys.
Pull.
Grab my hand, bro. Oh.
Okay.
Bro, grab my hand. Bro!
Oh!
Bro, grab my hand.
Okay, I'll go.
Bro.
Go there. We're gonna fall.
Go first, bro.
Okay, one at a time.
Wait, don't go first. The bridge is gonna break.
Jump on the second bridge.
Ate! Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you fell. I'm paranoid. Oh, that's not how you pull people.
Pull me, bro.
You have to go
Thanks.
fast.
Let's go.
Oh shit, we're stranded. Here we go.
No, we're not.
We gotta go.
Believe.
We gotta get up fast or we're gonna freeze.
Oh, here! I found it. Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on, I have no energy.
Can we go?
You guys go.
I'm gonna go.
I'm standing on your head.
Yeah, you can. Lunge, ate. Lunge. Then pull us
Oh my
up.
gosh! We're here! We're here! Ah!
shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Ate, help her.
Pull me, bro. Nice.
Go. Let's
Careful,
go.
there's a freaking.
Oh shit.
We're
Spike.
here, bro. We're here.
Dude, shit. Shit.
We're almost there. The fog. Hurry up.
The fog. The fog.
Yo,
Wait,
Lars.
okay, help me.
Lars,
Help.
Lars, grab my hand, bro. Bro! Bro, I can't.
Oh shit.
Ah!
Oh shit.
Ah!
Ow! I'm poisoned. I'm poisoned.
Hurry up, the fog. Hurry.
No, not there, Ate, come here.
Oh.
Careful, you might fall.
Guys, I'm
Wait lang po.
poisoned. Shit.
Thank you. Bro, we're almost there.
Guys, I'm poisoned as shit. It's just what's in my bag.
There, no,
Check
I'll heal
this.
you. We have a lot of bandages.
No, I need food.
Oh, here.
Because I'm
Protein bar.
poisoned. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Where the hell do we go now? Oh! Okay, don't go there.
Oh my gosh.
Go here, go.
Now we go there.
Oh shit, almost fell.
Yo!
Ate,
Oh, thank goodness it's just near. Oh, thank goodness it's just
You know,
near. I thought we were almost there.
I think we can eat the chubby mushroom.
Here we go again.
Don't eat it
Hey,
yet
give
if
me
you're
some.
not hungry.
Okay.
I am.
Oh, a bridge. Let's go.
Let's
How the fuck do we get over
go.
there?
I thought we were near, bro. I thought we were near, not gonna lie.
I think we go here, Ate. Ate Pot, no, not there.
Where?
Oh, wait. Yeah, we can go there. We can go.
Hurry!
No, not there. I got you.
Okay.
Here.
Nice.
Oh, grab me, bro. Nice. Oh, there's a
Then we go
jellyfish.
up
There's a
here.
jellyfish. Be careful.
Where? Oh, thanks.
Oh, I did not need to grab you.
Nice. Oh,
Jellyfish
there's a
there.
jellyfish. Better be safe than
Okay, one at a time.
Okay, we're here again. We're back.
Oh my gosh! We're done! Go, Lars, go!
No, we're
Careful,
not.
Lars! Oh, what? We're still not? The heck?
Okay, now where do we go?
Wait! Pull me up in case. Just in case.
I will.
I'm just saying where the fuck do we go?
What's up? Nice one. Nice. Oh, we're still far. I thought we were almost there, not gonna lie.
Ate Pot,
Where do we go
There's
next?
no way.
there is.
How about there? You see the jellyfish there? See that?
Careful.
Oh shoot.
Can we jump that? No, let's just go here.
Just be safe, bro.
Then let Ate Pot go first.
Oh shit.
Go, Ate
Go,
Pot.
go. You go.
Let me see
Okay.
what's there. You have to go up fast. There's freaking fog.
Ate!
Almost fell, bro. Nice. Let's go.
There's nothing here.
Giga.
Shit.
Giga. We're here again. Oh my god. No, I
Oh,
can't here. Maybe we can go here. You see this? You see the jellyfish? Maybe we can go there.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we can. There's a ledge. Oh my gosh, it's gonna turn night again.
Yeah.
No, it's the fog that's following us.
No. Oh yeah, you can step here. I thought we couldn't. the mushroom. Pull me up.
There's a ledge there.
Oh, nice.
Pull me up, please.
Where's Lars?
Nice.
Oh shit!
Thank you.
Oh, fuck.
Pull me! No, wait,
Don't worry, I got you.
wait. Let me just rest for a bit.
Guys? Guys?
Yeah.
Nice, thank you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Go here. Nice.
You're so
Oh,
funny.
there's a gift. Oh, there's a rope.
Perfect. Energy drink, we don't need that.
Perfect. I can carry some more. Nice, bro. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're
Going up.
there. We're here actually.
Where's the
Oh.
campfire?
There. Just go up. Yay! We're here. Woo! We made it, bro. We made
Oh my
it.
god. Oh my
We
god.
made
What? We did it! We did it!
bro.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
We did it, and
Yes,
all three of us.
Holy moly,
Nobody
man.
died.
No, that.
Holy moly, man. Eat
Oh,
the
this is poisonous.
marshmallow.
Careful
The
with
green
the.
one?
What's this scroll? I got a scroll. Dear
Morale
diary,
boost.
bad news.
Hold on, I'll open this.
Careful. Did you get damaged?
The Book of Bones.
Wait, get the bag. Get the bag.
Wait, let me read this.
Get the backpack.
Wait, where is it?
What the heck? Why is it casting spells?
Yo. Ah, that's for.
Ate. What's the Book of Bones for?
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Can I eat the hot dog? I'll eat the marshmallow.
What's the one?
Oh my god, what is that?
Bro, you're a bone.
The hell happened, bro?
What the heck? You're a bone.
Wait. Let me.
Wait, I want to be a bone as well.
Oh, I think that's for. No, don't use it. You will get
Why?
minus. You will get minus health.
You
How do we
need
go to the
bandage?
next part?
How am I a bone, bro?
Oh shit, this is the next part, guys.
No, wait.
You need bandage, Ate Pam?
Wait. I think we
Wait,
have
let's heal up
to
first.
speak to the statue so we can get full health.
I said get the bag.
Ooh.
Nope, I did
Anti-rope
not get
cannon.
full health, guys. I did not get
I
full
have
health.
anti-rope cannon. Can you put this in the
Eat this one.
Bro, why
this
am I
healthy?
still a
The green
freaking-
one?
Can you put this? Yeah. Can you put this
Yo,
on the
yeah.
bag?
Grab the backpack. Lars, grab the backpack.
Hold on, let me
Bro,
put this
you're
in
a
Ate Pam.
bone. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Put some more in my bag. Last one.
You got a bug, Lars. Nice. Bro, we can't
Ate
eat
Pam,
that.
can you put this in my bag?
The what?
Okay.
Can we?
Wait, can we eat it? Wait, don't move, bro. Don't move.
Yeah, it's green.
Okay, let's go.
Bro, how do we get full health? What?
I know, right? The hell, I forgot.
Is there no more
Dang.
bandages?
Let's go,
I
let's
have-
go.
You want,
Heal,
Ate Pot?
heal Giga.
No, it's different. It's like a black. It's not. Wait, it's
Oh,
not.
shit.
It's black. It's not like a half broken heart.
Ate Pot, you need.
No.
Damn it! At what
Yo, what is
cost?
this?
At what
How the
cost?
heck do we?
Bro, this one's so hard.
How do we go?
You gotta go past all this shit.
Go on the first mushroom.
Yo!
Whoa!
Oh shit! Heal her,
Oh
bro.
my days.
I died,
Do we have
bro.
respawn point?
Bro, why did I die? Why did I die? I just immediately died.
Okay.
At the statue. Ain't no way you can live like that, bro.
go up here.
Bro, Jareen, save us. Look to your left. You look to your left.
I'm going up here.
But it won't kill
Yo!
me.
Well, we all did. We all did. Well, we gotta do it all over again. Yo, what?
Shit.
Oh, it's a remedy fungus.
Someone
I think I can go back up.
Yeah, go
Okay,
back up.
please, bro. Please.
Go back up and then you die and then we resurrect you. Get full health. I just get the bug.
Oh my
Wait
days,
for your
bro.
stamina, bro.
Wait.
It's killing me. Go,
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 guys.
go!
Alright, let's
Resurrect
go.
us. That took so
Finally.
better than repeating everything, bro. That's better than repeating everything.
That's so fact. That's so fact.
Does this not save? This is so annoying.
And then someone die? I mean, and then Lars die, and then we resurrect her. Full health. I just get the bug.
No, it's fine. What?
Oh,
Whoa,
yeah, you're
there's
just hungry.
nothing, boy. Wala, no, I can't resurrect you. Oh,
Maybe use that.
how do
Use
I
that.
resurrect
Use that.
you?
Use that.
No, I'm just looking, I'm just looking.
You're gonna fall. I just know.
Interact with it to crumble the head.
No, oh my days! Atapam already did that earlier.
What? Full health. I just get the bug. What? You can't do it again?
Bro, you already crumbled his head earlier.
No. No.
Boy.
Full health. I just get the bug.